this is Kristenpedia with Sunshine Review's free tutorial series, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how to add color to a wiki. Now the first thing that you need to know is that color isn't like it is in other design programs. You can't simply write in red, orange, or blue. You have to use the HTML code for it. The HTML code is going to always exist of a pound sign and then a combination of 6 letters or numbers. You can see here, I'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit more, just some very basics for the red, orange, and blues, what they look like and what turns out. Now, when you're going to be working with colors, you're going to have to use a significant amount of HTML. Most commonly, you're going to be using style, and then equals, and then a background color. You can see here, this is how it is formatted. Usually you use these in charts, but you can also use them in just a span of text or to highlight, or even when you're designing a portal page, which is something we discuss in a later tutorial. So you can see here that you have to do a colon mark and make sure you always have that pound sign, and you can paste in the color code. You can even decide what color you want to border or what color you'd like the text. In this example, you can see that we come out with blue text, which almost looks like a link but is not, a black border, and light blue background. Now you can also have this apply to specific text, though this should be very rare, but when you do use it, you're going to do a span style. So span style just means that instead of this applying to a whole line, it's only going to occur to one section of text. So you can see here it says span style color red. Like I said, red, you should use that HTML codes, but for some of the really basic colors like red and green, it will pop up. But it's kind of iffy, so I would never encourage it. I'd always say to go with the HTML. So you can see here, and then you're going to just do that / and end the span, and this tells them when the red text should stop. And when you do this, you're going to get red text. Now, I only put up a few colors here on Sunshine Review because the fact of the matter is that Wikipedia has a huge compilation of web colors. If we go over here, you can see how vast the color ranges are, and they cover all of them. So if you're interested in adding color to your wiki, I'd advise you to come over to Wikipedia, find out your color codes. You can see here, this is one, and go ahead and paste them into the style of how you would see fit. If you have any other questions about how you can incorporate color, please join us for one of our Wednesday webinars. They're every Wednesday at 1 o'clock. And if you have found this tutorial helpful, then please consider a contribution to Sunshine Review. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy our other tutorials.